I'll show you how you can fix your iPhone battery draining. The most simplest way you can fix this is that if you go to settings, and then on settings, you want to go ahead and go to this section of the settings, which is battery. Go ahead and go to battery. Once you go to battery, you want to scroll down a little bit and you want to see what is the most used app. You can see the personal hotspot here. It's getting around 30% of the battery usage by app. So this is one of the most draining on my iPhone. So depending on what kind of app is the most draining on your iPhone, you want to consider either using that less or just deleting the app entirely. So for example, if Instagram here, you can see it drains around 16% of my battery, even though it's just a background activity. You can see it's around 25 minutes on screen and 30 minutes on the background. And even then, it is a big part of draining my battery. So either use Instagram less or deleting it if you're okay with deleting Instagram. One of the last things I can also recommend you is that you can see Instagram is a background app. WhatsApp is a background app. Now, what that means is that there's a lot of background apps that's running on your iPhone. One of the simplest way you can turn off all of the background app and put your phone back to its normal state is to force restart your iPhone. Basically, how you do that is that you press the volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button. So let's try that. Volume up, volume down, and then hold the power button like this. You want to go ahead and just keep holding it until the Apple logo comes up. Now it should take just a couple of moments. You can see now the screen went black. Now we can go ahead and just keep holding it. Apple logo comes up. Go ahead and let go. And now let's just wait for our iPhone to turn on back on again. It might take a couple of seconds because this is basically restarting your iPhone just in a more forceful way. It is called a forced restart after all. But after all of this, your app should be refreshed and your iPhone should have a better time managing its battery as well.